Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate support and resistance on just about any chart. Daily charts, hourly charts, weekly charts, and in just about any tradable instrument that records volume. This is the best method I know to calculate support and resistance on any of those charts. The method that I'm going to show you involves the use of volume profiles or volume at price. And the easiest way to do this is when a market is retracing a rally or retracing a decline. The volume that's from each leg of the rally or decline needs to be considered individually. So in this daily chart of crude oil, what I want to show you is, for example, at the beginning, if we just look at this year and the rally that encompassed, the middle of January to the beginning of March, the simple way to do this is apply a volume profile to this rally leg and continue to update it for as long as it continues to rally. So you will have a volume profile that has some areas that were built along the way, like you can see this area of high volume right here that's at 98 and just below, as well as areas that are currently building that you can see here is up at 103 or between 102 and 103. So this is the simple way to apply the volume profile. Then when the market retraces, you are prepared and you know what levels you are looking for support. You can see when the market pulls down out of this area, the very first place that it bounces is from this minor area. And when I say minor, it's just smaller than these other two areas. This minor area of high volume. You can see that price came directly into that little high volume area right there and bounced. It came back up and tested this area of high volume above that it just had fallen out of and found resistance. This is all typical auction market behavior, and then the market resumed its pullback and pulled back into this area of high volume. And held this area of high volume. Rallied back up again, got stuck a little bit in this minor bump right here. You can see that there was a reaction when it tested up here. It held above this area, continued higher, again found resistance at this area of high volume up here. My rectangle's not moving over very far. So that demonstrates how you can use these volume profiles. This is just looking at the volume profile that was built over middle of January to beginning of March, and you can see that the levels that were defined in this rally leg were available for use and active levels of support and resistance throughout the beginning part, middle part of March. The market, even at the end of March, the market was still responding to these levels of high volume, these high volume areas that the market established over the course of this rally. And that's how using volume profiles to calculate support and resistance works. Looking at this most recent rally leg, you can see we rallied back up to the highs. Let me get a little bit of this stuff off of here. Okay, so you can see the rally back up to this high, the recent highs, and now we're pulling back. The pullback, this is the area of high volume that's below us. This is the most significant support that we have on this pullback, and it's defined by the volume profile of this rally leg. Now, the area of resistance that's above us is this area of volume right here. So this was looking at one market and one time frame, crude oil on a daily chart. But these concepts in using volume profiles in this way to calculate support and resistance is effective on hourly charts, on weekly charts, on 5-minute charts, in markets like foreign exchange, in stocks, in all kinds of different futures and commodities. Support and resistance is a concept that everyone understands. It identifies places to buy, places to sell, places to enter, places to exit. And this method of calculating support and resistance using volume profiles to identify the high volume areas and using these high volume areas as the primary support and resistance levels you are watching in the market is the most effective support and resistance method that I know of. So I hope this was helpful for you, and until next time, good trading.